Hey guys, Chef Hawks here again. So another piece of equipment we have our KitchenAid food mixers. So these are small enough that we can make just one batch of cookies. They're big enough and powerful enough that we can make significantly more of those. So we've got several attachments that we generally use on this. So first of all, we have the bowl which slots in. I'll show you exactly how that happens in just a moment. And then we have our whisk attachment. This is for if you're beating up some cream, something very fine and thin like that. We use the whisk attachment. And then we have our beater paddle. So our beater paddle, that's if we're going to be creaming products. So we've got things like butter and sugar that we're creaming together to make the base of either some cookies or cakes, and then we'll beat those together. And then we have our dough hook. So this funny spiral dough hook is all about making things like bread doughs. This will actually emulate the same kind of working that happens when you knead things by hand, stretching and plying out on the gluten product that's in that dough to actually help to actually strengthen it and to make it into exactly what you want it to be. So let's take a look at exactly how we use all these attachments. Okay, so first off, the bowl. The bowl has this very handy handle that's on the side here. So now the important thing is this will always be on the outside. If you have this and you're trying to attach the bowl in the wrong way and you're trying to put it with the handle on the back, it won't connect. You must have it where that handle is ready for you to be able to use. So what we do, we actually hook it up onto these two little pins. There's one on either side, and this will actually hook into here. On the back, there's a little bubble that sticks out right here, and right back here, there's a little piece which presses into place. This is what locks you in, and it must be locked in to make sure this is safe. So we place these two down here, and then just gently click that right into place. So then after this, we're able to use all of our different attachments. So if you take a look at this right here, there's actually a circle with a notch on there. Under here, there is actually the exact opposite of that. So this literally slots in, it goes up, and it goes a quarter turn, and then you let go, and it's locked into place. So again, you take this part here, and with that, where that notch is right here, we have this, literally go up, you do a quarter turn, and it drops into place. And this is now secure enough that it will be able to operate on the machine. So then, we use exactly the same method, with exactly the same coupling, take it a quarter turn, and drop it into place. You push it up, and then take it a quarter turn, and it comes right back out again. And the same with our dough hook. Placing that in, so it slots in, quarter turn, and drops into place. So we now have our dough hook ready to go in here. It's all locked in place. Our bowl is locked carefully into place. Now, how do we operate this? So we actually draw this bowl up. There are some mixers that actually lift up at the top. This one right here just goes right down and right up. And when you actually get to here, you'll feel it. It'll click into place. You should never have to push this hard. If you're having to push it with excessive force, something's not working out right. If you try and pull it towards you, it won't go. You have to push it away and click up until it clicks into place. Okay, so everything is all locked in place now. We have our dough hook, our bowl is all locked in and ready to go. But so what's the biggest thing we have when we're working in culinary in general? It's all about control, controlling our environment, controlling the ingredients to get exactly the yield that we want to get. So right here we have our control unit. So this is where we can click it on. We have a very slow speed to get ourselves started. Perfect for if we're trying to work something like flour in that's going to make a big mess everywhere where it'll just fluff out all over the place. But if we're looking to whip things up a little more, then we can go up. But as you can see, every level has a new speed. Never be tempted to try and place any spatulas or any other things into the bowl while that whisk is going. Always make sure you let it turn off, come to a full stop before you try and scrape the bowl down.